Good morning guys. Today William make pastilage. So just watch and learn.
Ngayong araw gagawa tayo ng pastilage. So tara, samahan nyo guys. Tuturo ko sa inyo step by step. Tara.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Hi guys, it's me William. 4 ingredient is done guys, as you can see, but I forgot something to tell you I did. First guys, mix together icing sugar and cornstarch in a mixing bowl. Then open the machine, to mix properly guys, while I'm waiting the next step. Then after that, as you can see, we have a gelatin leaves. I put already the microwave oven to make the gelatin leaves. It's melted guys.
Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
Then the icing sugar and cornstarch is ready guys. You can put now the gelatin leaves little by little until mixed together guys, like that guys.
Back a year ago, seen a lot.
After you put the gelatin leaves, synthetic vinegar is waiting. Same process guys, little by little.
Okay, I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year.
You should wait guys at least 1 to 2 minutes, but as you can see, if the texture is like that, the pastilage is ready guys. It's done already guys.
I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.